Welcome into a new episode of Code in the Unknown. Today we are gonna work on a Flatris project, which is a clone of Tetris. So I think you all know this game. You have to make some lines uh, with some blocks. This project is from Worm, so thanks to him. As usual, I've not looked into the code. I've only checked the license, and to make it running, I've had to change a few things. First, I updated the Elm version, so I also updated every package, and this was Flatris, but I've changed it for main as the file name because it's needed. So I needed to repercute this change right here. So that's all. I haven't seen the code, and what I want to add as a feature is add a new kind of shape, which will be a bomb. And once you make it down, it will explode all the blocks around. So let's do that. So let's have a look. We have a few files. I guess this week will be a little bit more complex. Okay, so we have the main. Our program is right here. Let's have a look directly at the model, maybe. So we have a state with this pause, playing or stopped. Okay, I see that there are encoders and decoders, so I think it's saved into local storage. Let's see if I refresh. Yeah, it works. Okay, perfect. This is the model. So I'm searching some kind of, yeah, we have the grid which contain color. Okay, why not? Active grid color. Okay, I guess it's the active shape. So I think we don't have a type shape inside this code. The state was okay. The random is handled manually, it seems. Okay, let's see the initial state. So the first one is to spawn Tetrimino. Okay, let's have a look. So what we are doing here is spawning some new, okay, Tetriminos. I guess this is where I will find the shape. Okay, so right here we have, I see. So a tetrimino, which is the term for a shape, is in fact a list of coordinates. Okay, I see. It's a list of coordinates with color. So it's a grid, which is a list of cells of a specific color. And I guess a cell contains a color. Let's have a look. Cell contains a value, okay, which is the color. Okay, so we have a list of value with a position. Okay, perfect. So I think we need to change that and create maybe a tetrimino type. So tetrimino will be okay. Let's just change. Will be either a shape containing a color. Okay, or no, let's keep that for now. Okay, whatever. And here we will just replace with tetrimino from list AB. So here we just need to add the tetrimino, or maybe just add here tetrimino from A, shape A, maybe. So perfect. Right here we need to return a grid of tetramino, and I guess we have a lot of errors, so let's follow the compiler, starting with main. So I'm going to use the import. No error in this file, okay, why not? I guess we don't have any error in this map either. Right here it seems okay. If we have a look at the model, okay. Right here we need, it takes a model and it returns a model. So I think maybe the grid is no grid of tetramino, sorry, which we need to import, of course. So expose with variant, import. Okay, I think we will just replace every grid color with a grid tetramino to see where it goes. Grid.decode, tetramino.decode. Okay, I need to create a decode function. So a decoder of tetramino. For now, it will just I will just keep the color because we only have one type of tetramino and map it with a shape. Let's have a look. It seems good. We need to expose that. I guess I will need an encoder. So I guess we have a tetramino and we want to return JSON encode value. Okay. And what we will do is just extract the shape and encode with a color. Okay, we need to expose that. So, where were we? We were just here. So, grid tetramino.decode and the same right here. Okay, model.active is grid. So I think we need to just change color.encode by tetramino.encode. Do we have? Oh, okay, it was tetraminos. Maybe just rename that. Okay, perfect. We don't need color here. Okay, we don't need that. Do we have other errors? In the view function, of course. So let's have a look. So render box, which take tetramino to tetramino. Okay, why not? Tetramino to tetramino. Okay, maybe a tetramino right here. So it maybe we'll create the tetramino function. To string, okay. Let's create that. Maybe rename it to color string. We'll see that later. So it takes a tetramino and returns a string which is the shape of a specific color and color the string. Okay, if I expose that and rename it to color string, it should work. So as usual, I'm only fixing the errors that I see. Okay, so it didn't take the reference to color string. Let's have a look. I think, yeah, IntelliJ is updating. Let's see the next one. Render box always color.rgb. So I will just add a shape right here to make it work. Okay, let's see the next error. Add to list. Okay, I guess grid color because the grid is a grid color and it should be a grid terminal. Okay, next one. Okay, we don't have any error right here. Maybe in the update. No. Do you have any error left? Yes. In the view, again, where is it? Line 49. I think there is a small issue with OnLive. So it seems to work. Let's see right here. Yeah, it seems to work. Perfect. So that's all. I'm quite surprised. I thought it would take a bit more work. So fundamentally, we haven't done a lot of things. We've just created a new type, which is a Tetrimino, to replace the color everywhere. So we should not have any red color anywhere in the project. Perfect. Now what we will do is only add a new kind of Tetrimino, which is a bomb. Okay, so so this is a list of Tetrimino. What I will do is just do that everywhere. Okay. Okay, and this way we will be able to just create a new one, which is a bomb. And let's say that it's only 1 pixel, so I think we will just keep the 0, 0. Okay, perfect. And maybe, yeah, I think we don't need the color. So, okay, let's see what is just broke. So encode and decode right here. Okay, so here. Yeah, I think we will need to have a more complex encoder. So let's first start with encoder and take a Tetrimino right here, and then a little case with two things. So I think we will just create an object with the first key being the type, which is a shape. the second key being the color. Okay, the color, and it's right here. Okay, so first case this, and for the bomb we just need to have a type of bomb, and we don't need the color. Perfect, and we need to decode that, so decode that field type, which is a string, and then we have the type and class type of. So we have shape. So this time we need to decode the field color. And once we have the color, we can put it inside a shape. Otherwise, we can decode bomb type, which is a bomb with a decode not to exceed. Otherwise, we can fail unknown type and the type. Perfect, so the decoder and encoder is working. Okay, let's see the next error, which is in two-color string. So two-color string, once again we have a tetrimino and case tetrimino off. So if it's a shape, we can keep that. If it's a bomb, let's say that we have a color RGB, and let's say that it's all black. Okay, so bomb will be black. Okay, let's see the errors. Do we have? No, it's working. Okay, you can start a new game. And does it work? Yeah, so we have our bomb right now, so but it's considered as any block. So okay, let's continue. If I refresh, the saving system still works. Perfect. So let's continue. So I think we will go into the update right now. And what we want to do is that when it's colliding, maybe collide the position super with bound and the grid. Okay, not sure. So let's have a look at the update. So resize, get viewport. Okay, I think it's to render this thing. Start, okay, pause, ratio, move left, move right, rotate, accelerate. Okay, so when I'm pressing the bottom arrow, it accelerates. Unlock buttons, what is that? Not sure. Tick. Okay, I think everything happens right here. So yeah, okay. So it animates this thing. So move to terminal. So what is the direction? Okay, why not? If state.active. Okay, so if it collides, we don't do anything else, we're moving it. Okay, so this is just to move, rotate it. So if we're trying to rotate, okay, so if we're rotating, activate button. I'm not sure to understand everything that happens right here, but I've seen that we have a drop determinal. So if it collides, and I think this is where we will try it. So if it collides, grid.stamp, what is grid.stamp? No, okay. So we're just adding it. So I guess, I see. So conceptually, we have a grid of Tetramino as the active model, which is not really good for me, I guess. And maybe we should have something else. So how do you know where is? Oh, I think model.width and model.height represent the position of the grid. Okay, so maybe, just maybe, um, let me just see. Good and stop. So here I'm. So I still have that. Now I just need to be sure that it's either a bomb or a shape. So we can do something quite dirty right here. Is shape, if it's model.active, so it's a grid. So let's see what we have inside the grid. Add to list. We can just do something really. If the grid size equals 1, this is a grid. This is, sorry. Yeah, so if it's different of 1, it means this is a bomb. If it's different than 1, grid dot size. Oh, what is that? That's quite what I was expecting. Size, stamp, rotate, take out, collide. Okay, let's just say that if we are 1 and 1, this is a shape, otherwise it's a bomb. Okay, so if it's collide, if is shape, then we do that. Otherwise, let's do nothing. Okay, let's continue. It works. Okay. So now it doesn't do anything because instead do nothing. Okay, so we need so we don't need to stamp, but we need to explode everything around. Explode bomb. Okay, let's create just a clone of this. Explode bomb. Okay. Yeah, I need to expose that. Okay. And the score should not change, I guess. Okay. And the clear lines, I guess. Yeah, it's to check the line, so we don't need that. But we do need to expand a new determinant. So right now we haven't changed anything because the explode bomb is just the same as the stamp functions, but we have separate the logic, so perfect. Okay, we'll just wait to have another bomb. Okay, I don't care, I don't care. I kind of want to play to that. Okay, okay, okay. Give me a bomb! Okay, perfect. So I have a bomb that is ready to explode. Okay, now we need to change this here. What is the sample? Not there. So the sample was okay. The shape of the tetromino. So if it's empty, of course, bomb. Mm. In fact, I think yeah, what is X and Y? So X. Okay, so according to the position, okay, so in fact we don't need the sample, I guess, because we know it's a bomb. So let's change that. We do need the acceleration, so we can keep the new position. It's what is cell again? Yeah, okay, it was the bomb position, so the bomb was 0, so it's only X and Y. Okay. The cell has a new position. So we don't need to. Oh, yeah. I think what we will do is stamp something else. So let's have a look at stamp. So it takes a grid of sets, so and it stamp a new grid. So I think we will create a new grid, which is so we need to explore everything around those points, so this point, but we should also have -1, -1. Oh, okay. Let's have a look. So we're taking the grid. I'm not sure what I'm doing here, so let's just create a 9 cells grid. Okay, 0, -1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and 1, -1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. So I created a square of 3 by 3. Now we need to coordinate. What is the color of the plan grid? I need to know. So coordinate. So just to be sure, I need to check what is the grid. So stone, where is it? Okay, it was inside the model. So first, maximum. What is initial grid? Okay, so initial grid is grid.empty. Okay, so it's, I think, yeah, I will just do something else. Explode bomb. Right, clear lines, what is it? Yeah, it's mid position, map to list. I'll just create a filter function right here. So map to list, where is map to list? I just create a filter which takes A and bool, takes a list grid and returns a grid. Okay, so predicate. And so the grid is a list of cells, so list.filter predicate. What am I doing? We create grid A, and a cell. Okay, yeah. So the cell is the value, so I need to check that. Cell predicate cell. Okay, that works. So I have a filter function, and now what I will do is just cells to remove. But I need the position. Okay, so I will just change the filter right here. Where is it? Filter. It's a grid. Where is the filter? Right here, and instead I will take a cell A. I can just keep the predicate. Okay. Now inside, still the grid. Here we can map that and say, okay, x and y and y, x plus the offset and y plus the offset. Okay, so now we have the position we want to remove, and we can just say that we want to filter grid, so list dot number cells to remove for our grid. So it takes this list of A. Oh, okay, so cell list of number cell to remove. No. Cell A, yeah, of course, because cell dot pose. Perfect. Does it work? Dual import from a cycle. Why is that? Am I importing grid? Yeah. Let's launch it. It compiles. Let's see. No, it doesn't work. Why is that? I need to check. So, I will just get another bomb. Okay, so let's pause that. We will need maybe some checks, so let's have a look right here. Where did I explode the bomb? Okay, so here I guess it's always false. Okay, and maybe just check this one. I may have done something weird. Okay, let's have a look. So is shape false? Okay, so I removed everything except those ones. I think I messed up the condition, so let's have a look. I guess we just need to say not. Yeah, because it's a filter function, of course. Okay, let's see, resume. It seems to work. Let's have another example. Perfect. Perfect. Let's try again. I try to create some complex form. Okay, right here we should be able to see if it lets everything it should. Yeah, perfect. That works. Nice. So perfect. As you've seen, we've added this new feature, which was quite hard to add. First, because we didn't add Tetrimino type, so we've added that with only one member. It's an easy refactoring because it's only adding the type constructor everywhere and doing what you need to extract it. Then afterwards we could add the new variant. So that was quite easy. And the other thing that was quite maybe hard is because the active shape was a grid. Maybe it should have been better to have something like that. And I think if I was about to do a refactoring, this is the first thing I would do. It's to replace the grid by a tetramino, and then I will just say, okay, this is a grid of color or a bomb, and it will be a lot clearer inside the code, I guess. This would avoid the is shape method, which is here, if I remember correctly. Yeah, this one is kind of a hack, so it would facilitate that if we did this change. So thank you for following this video with me. For more content in the series of Code in the Unknown, you can subscribe to my channel or add a like to my video. Thank you.